Hello, what's up, guys? This is and yeah, today's video is strictly for adults. So who are kids, look away. Okay, don't dare to go forward in this video. This video is strictly 18 plus because we are gonna react to Mirzapur memes. Mirzapur season 2 has come, and I have seen season 1 and season 2 in a single day. Okay, no, in 2 days. Okay, just to react to these memes because I saw many of the memes, Mirzapur memes, and couldn't understand what was happening. And I had to understand what was happening. And yeah, I got it. I saw the 2 season and it was fantastic. The season 2 had come up some weeks ago, and the series is fantastic. And I'll talk about it in the end of the video. Okay, I'll talk about some more about it in the end of the video. So let's react to Mirzapur memes. Okay, 18 plus content. So if you have not seen Mirzapur, don't call yourself an adult. Okay, don't call yourself an adult. And if you have seen Mirzapur memes, you're welcome. Sit there and we will do it. That's it. Mirzapur memes अब होगा तांडव. This is a page from Facebook. लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो. And this is a meme, but I felt sad for this time, because this time Kalin Bhaiya, aka Manoj Tripathi, and this Munna, his son, came to an understanding, and they both were, trying to understand what they had to do, and they had understood, but Munna was killed. Sorry, I'm laughing, but they have come a long way. What Bauji looked like Johnny Sins, Bauji looked like Johnny Sins. And he is Johnny Sins still now. There's no compromise in it. What? What? Munna was looking so studious, but he rocked the performance. I like this acting really. And there's our Bauji. No. Kalin Bhaiya, look at Kalin Bhaiya. He had come a long way. The first slide is run, and look at the second slide. He's the boss, and even if he was the main villain, I didn't want him to die, even in the last part, I didn't want even him to die. And look at our Guddu Bandit. He has come a long way. He was in the 3 Idiots, talking to the virus, but now he is in the lead, in one of the lead roles, and it's so good to see. Batao dosto, bataiye, who is the father of Beena's child? Akhanda Tripathi, Satyendra Tripathi, Raja Pradaibo. I don't know, because Akhanda Tripathi can be one, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, I don't want to give any spoilers, but the one who knows. Akhanda Tripathi can't be the father. You have seen the medical report, so he can't be the father. Accept it. This man is the soul and strength of Mirzapur. Yes, I accept it. All the rough things, bloodshed, and the power given to this series, Mirzapur, was mainly because of this man. This man is heartless, ruthless killing and everything. But Munna Bhaiya, we loved you. It was so good. Lal Phul, Neela Phul, Madhuri Yadav, beautiful. yes, she was beautiful. She was beautiful. And Munna knew it. At last, this scene. मामला दर का नहीं, इज्जत का है. भोसड़ी वाले चाचा बोला था ये हमको. हम है भोसड़ी, हमको भोसड़ी वाले है. Yes. This was the time. Yes, it's like telling you a story, but I don't tell you a story because I don't want to spoil anything for you. Just go and watch the series Mirzapur. It's so good. भोसड़ी वाले चाचा बोला था ये हमको भोसड़ी वाले है. Damn, this man. All these pictures tells you a story, and this person, भोसड़ी वाले चाचा. So one thing, that is very important in life. मामला दर का नहीं, इज्जत का है. Seriously, you should not always fear. Okay, sometimes you should think about your self-respect. Where kids cried, where men cried, where I didn't cry. I laughed. See, seriously, even at last I didn't want Munna to die, but he was dead eventually. Second in the take list, Bauji ka tail varis karega. No. I don't want to be in the take list anymore, okay? Because even I by chance come in the take list 4 days a week, I can't 4 days a week. I don't have the stamina, you know. The only ones who watch Discovery Channel or Animal Planet can have the stamina for 4 weeks, you know. 4 days a week. I can't. So the ones who watch Animal Planet, best of luck. टूट करोगे हमारे साथ माल भोजपुरी फिल्म क्या बहरे हो टूट करोगे हमारे साथ from heaven Pablo Mendez, you fucked up bro, you fucked up. Hey, खेलने दो हमारा भी बेटा है Manuel Raju. You know, these characters didn't know anything about it, but we as the viewers knew that when Baoji said, "अरे खेलने दो हमारा भी बेटा है," we knew what he was trying to say. You know, every one of us knew what he was trying to say, and he said it. Meanwhile, Raju didn't say anything, but at last he also said it. It could be anyone's son. You know, it's like the toughest question in करोड़पति. हाय, बेटा किसका है? आप लेंगे लाइफ तिल लगाने वाली नहीं तिल सत्यानंद त्रिपाठी AKA उर्फ बाऊजी दिल लगाने वाले नहीं तेल लगाने वाले पता because if you know impress it तेल लगाने वाली then 4 days a week and that's enough for you I think that's enough for you the one who understands okay no need to say anymore भाभी कहाँ है उनकी तबीयत अभी भी खराब है गोली लेकर सोई है that's Baoji right in the Leonardo DiCaprio's face that's actually Baoji okay so तबीयत ऐसी खराब हुई थी now I know so that's how भाभी was falling ill okay थक गया हूँ ब्रो शिलाजीत दिए थे ना आपको लेते काहे नहीं है thanks शिलाजीत okay and one thing he is weak this guy is weak okay weak this guy is so weak okay 2 minutes seriously 2 minutes no it's too less 2 minutes it's too less okay the one who is the capacity of 2 minutes like the video okay like the video I'll see who is the potentiality who can be the next Kalin Bhaiya just comment and like okay comment down below I'll see you when your friends bunk classes without informing you घोसले वाले को जिंदा पकड़ना है जिंदा करना है गड्डी पे चाहे कोई भी बैठे लेकिन दिल में सिर्फ तुम बैठते हो seriously I never wanted this character of Manoj Tripathi in this movie Kalin Bhaiya to ever end because he's so good he's so good in his acting and if he dies in this series you just think how the series will everything in this series will be tasteless without any taste because he is the character okay whom we love with no reason we just love him and that's a specialty about this actor we love him because we want to he's such a good actor he's such a good actor and his acting is so natural like me and I'm not acting I'm just saying next one 70 years शेर की उम्र ज्यादा है लेकिन बुढ़ा नहीं हुआ है why do you compare it to Modi ji no don't compare it it's not like I'm a Bhagwat don't compare man oh shit couple goals so this was happening behind the scenes okay so Bina Bhabi liked it right is she laughing why is Shruti laughing don't laugh I cried for you kids waiting for Guddu Bhaiya men waiting for Munna Bhaiya legend waiting for Kullu legend waiting for Bina maybe I'm an ultra legend okay after all I don't complain yeah then this scene was just crazy out of nowhere we cannot predict Guddu okay yeah and he was on steroids so his mind just went off and he just did what we were not expecting we didn't expect it to happen but it happened and one who watched Mirzapur knows it no need to explain otherwise Amazon will file a suit complete suit for me, and I'm done. Okay, I'm done from this art, so I don't want to do it. Okay, so guys, that's it for the Mirzapur memes. And the thing that I wanted to talk about is season 2 was, mind-blowing, and I liked everything about it. I didn't have to wait so much for season 2 because I consecutively watched season 1 and season 2, but man, it was so good, and I recommend everyone to watch it. Okay, watch it once in their life. It's Amazon Prime exclusive, and Amazon Prime has sponsored this video. So yeah, okay, go and watch Mirzapur and you will get excitation in your boring life. Just watch it. This is just checking out. If you like the video, like it, no problem. And if you didn't like it, dislike it, guys. Just don't leave me hanging out there. Okay, I'll meet you next time. Till then, bye.